It's time for Don and Ron. You won't get this anywhere else.
I'm Don.
And I'm Ron.
Anyway, we want to kind of show you some of the sights right here for sure. Really look at this right here. Holy cow. Is that beautiful right there? Absolutely gorgeous. Some of the things we've got to see on this trip is really kind of cool. You know, you've seen over there in Montana how beautiful it is. And now you're seeing what Wyoming looks like out in the mountains and kind of plains area too in the middle. Just absolutely gorgeous. Just want to follow up with you. Talked to Marshall and Kathy this morning, the new owners of that 1940 J3. And they're happy as a clam. Hoping to get to go fly as soon as the weather kind of clears up. But anyway, thanks for joining in for us today. And we'll keep you posted. This is day number 6 of our journey. We'll be home in a couple more days, so there'll be a few more videos to come. Thanks again for joining Don.
And Ron.
Peace out.